This is a
I mean,
big
I'm
truck.
a little guy, so and then
I like to see you work big equipment, baby.
Yeah, but you made me mess up.
People, what you see, Papa? What you see?
I'm liking them new Chevy Duramaxes with the combo with the Duramax engine and the Allison trans. That's what I'm liking.
Is it this one right here?
Yeah, 6500 white. You know we gotta have white in our fleet. But yeah, I think this one right here is gonna be a go.
You like this one?
Yeah. Something new. We always get Fords, and I kind of like I said, the Duramax with the Allison trans, the combo together. This truck is like the old 7.3 motors. Remember the 7.3s when the 6.1s, the 6.0s used to break? They had the bulletproof 7.3 motors. That's how this is. Duramax and Allison.
Well, let me take a look at this bad boy.
Well, we gotta go in and get the keys.
I want to take a look on the outside.
Let's take a look at it. You want to take a look? Come on, let's take a look. Toolbox. That's your toolbox. Put your tools in there.
What size is this bed? 22 or 22?
21.
See, I know what I be talking about. Good people.
Yeah, 21. Aluminum.
Yeah.
Aluminum bed.
And we'll have to worry about spray paint. It's super wide.
Yeah, it's wide.
This is super wide.
Yeah, that's how they coming now.
Oh my
For
goodness.
like dualies and stuff like that.
Jeez. This is a huge rollback.
Plus, I'm a fan of Jourdain, so.
Oh my. Which other truck has a Jourdain back?
Well, all our trucks is Jourdain.
Oh, I thought so.
Yeah, even your record, Cherry Bomb. The wheel lift is Jourdain.
Single cab?
Yeah.
Ain't got no quad. We can't take the kids on this out with us. This is big. This is big like the 650, the Ford 650.
Yeah, I know.
This is a
I mean,
big
I'm
truck.
a little guy, so and then
I like to see you work big equipment, baby.
Yeah, but you made me mess up. Oh, all right, the doors is open. Oh, leather. That's something different.
Oh, I ain't gonna be burning in Texas.
Nah. You know, my tent gonna be 0.
Oh. No kids can go with us. It's okay. We like to take the kids with us on when we work and to show them the ropes because they will be doing this when they get older. Legend, London, and Lil Mama, Miss Mega.
Of course, guys.
You. Yeah, the truck. Yes.
Only
yes.
thing difference I noticed with a big truck like this
What?
is normally like the 650, our tires are 22.5s.
Right.
These are 19.5s.
Oh, so that's a smaller wheel.
Smaller wheel.
So what does that mean?
My diameter of turning is better.
Oh.
So I can then do a U-turn. And Chevys come with a good diameter turning ratio
Look at
anyway.
the side pipe.
Yeah.
Where's the dollies? They don't put them on? We
No,
have
you
to
gotta get all that
get
stuff
that put
added
on. Okay. Oh, well, let's go in and see what they talking. You got your pockets?
Oh my gosh.
It's a nice truck. It's a sexy truck.
But it's y'all nice.
Yes.
Don't need all that room. Look. Oh, and it's okay.
I love the smell of new cars.
Me too. Look, move up a little bit. Look, I don't want to get too comfortable in the rollback. Too comfortable, long nights, possibly a driver can go to sleep. So I like the single cabs. I used to buy trucks
For comfortability.
for me, how I would have my truck. But then I had to learn these are drivers. I would get all the upgraded this, upgraded that. They don't appreciate that. You know what I mean? They don't need it. They need the basics. You know what I mean? But I will give him the leather seats. They're easier to clean than the cloth.
So he'll break it in, then he'll hire somebody and put them in the truck.
Yeah, I don't know. Not in Texas.
Mama, be careful.
I got you. Right there.
Oh, we got enough room for her.
Yeah, right in the middle. And it's enough room for and single cabs with flatbeds. My window's right here, so when I'm backing up on something, I can actually see. When they got that lift, it's hard to.
Oh, with the extended cab.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Look at this
Like a
bag.
Range Rover.
Oh
What's the
my.
difference between the 4.0 and the 4.6?
Jeez.
Easy say? 30 to 40,000.
This truck is sexy. I've never seen a Shelby Ford pickup truck. This thing's on steroids. See the inside. Ooh, look at the seats, guys. Let's see if I can get this for you. Got the Shelby and the seats. Well, let's go find our truck. So we were down there. There's another one, but this one isn't as sexy as that one. That one's okay. That's the one thing I do like about going to see trucks on the lot, the dealerships. You get to go see all the other cool vehicles they have to offer, and also trucks they don't have online that you're like, oh well, wait a minute, oh they have a Ram 4500. We have one of those in the fleet. Oh yeah, this is the truck that we were, yeah, same one. So this is the sister truck. So this isn't the actual truck that we are going to purchase. I want to see. So this is the one we checked out, right?
Yeah, but he said this is not the one that they're selling.
Which one is they selling? Is
It's gonna be on our other lot.
Is it single cab?
I'm gonna assume so. I think
They all
every Chevy
single
we,
cab.
yeah, I think every Chevy we have is a single cab.
Okay.
No, I'm pretty much sure all single. You want to follow you or want me to run it car?
We can use that because I don't actually. And then some of them could be long enough. Pull up the other one. Put on
So this is our baby.
That's I'm getting all before you.
yeah, you
Ooh.
have those two over there.
Yep, same one. Ooh, look at that light in the back for the winch.
I got.
I love it.
I got.
You gonna drive? So 6500 Duramax. Yep. Here we are. What are we gonna name you, my girl? So Philly Fleet has all of Fords, and Texas will have Chevy. You drive? That smells so good. Real simple, that's all we need. Oh, we got all my auxiliary lights for the back.
All right, we're on it.
Is it touchscreen? Yep,
Thank you.
there we go.
All right, so look, babe.
Yes.
Go driving.
This is a big plus for Jordan. I never see Jordan make a self-loading wheel lift. It's always Miller. I only see Miller. Look.
So let's go, Mama. You driving? Okay.
Come on.
So he says there is a self-loading wheel lift.
So this is the 6500, but it comes with, you know, wheel lift with the L arms. I mean, nothing different. I had those for 22 years, but this is what I really wanted. But it's a 5500, the self-loading.
Oh, ours don't have it. The 5500 has it.
Yeah, the Jordan is new for Jordan. They just making a self-loading wheel lifts.
Ooh.
No, don't touch it. Got grease on it.
Is this the one that has the backup camera?
Both of them got backup cameras, but this is the self-loading. Whereas those, that's a little bit more work with the L arms.
Aha.
And it's new for Jordan.
And that's
But they only doing it with the 55.
Why are they only doing it with the 5500s? Why did they only do the self-loading with the 5500?
That one, I don't know.
That's a 6500 they did it?
Right.
We may have to go gray. Huh? Check the numbers on that one. Yeah, let's see what he...
Anyway, you can call Randy and see what's the numbers on this. I would rather have a self-loading. It just makes
him and his
sense to me.
toys. He wants the self-loading.
Sticker price. Yeah, but that got a sticker price. He gave that truck to me the same amount as the 55. I be doing it real with it because I bought so many trucks from it.
Looks identical. It's just that that one has self-loading. Yeah, we can ask them when we get back in.
Yeah. Yeah, that's self. Even though I probably won't be never double loaded, just to, ain't gonna
Just
make
the thought to have it, huh?
Yeah, just the thought to have it. More problems though. That hydraulic pump go out. That's more expensive.
Oh, that is something to look at too.
Yeah,
you gotta weigh your pros and cons.
And it's brand new, so I want to wait to see the views on the new self-loading.
So we're still gonna find out the price.
No, we're gonna get the price.
But we most likely will go with the
white.
The white one. Because he said there's a possibility for the hydraulic pump to go out. This is a new feature for a rollback. So we'll see. All the kinks are worked out before we get all in there. We get knee deep in it. But this is a beauty. She's gorgeous. She's gorgeous. They have so many trucks. Oh my goodness. Look at all this goodness. Trucks, trucks on trucks on trucks on trucks. Rollbacks, wreckers, rollback wreckers. We got internationals. He wanted to get international. I wasn't forward. I think this is another 650. What did I tell you? I know my trucks. This is like the snowman Kenny truck. The black one looking sexy too. But I need white. I need white. Let's check out the size. See, this bed is so small. After coming back looking at that bed, how wide it is, yeah, look. Well, I don't know. Maybe it appears to be wider because it is aluminum. What do you think, guys? Y'all think this bed is the same size? I don't know. Let's go back. Check it out. Taking it out for a spin. Look good on you.
Look good.
Look real good.
changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out and calculated. That's how I end up on the top, and I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, just do what I was destined. Cause I feel like I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing. I already learned that lesson, yeah.
Bro, you can't say nothing up with that car. Already done on this car.
It's all-wheel drive. My dad say like that.
Well, he probably knocked it out when he hit that curve. Just push it in, and it'll be in park. Yeah, good to go.
Key to the truck is behind me.
Thank you, Book. Woo-wee. All right, good people, we are here with one of the mentees from Maximus Tow Academy. We came to check out his new truck. He got a 650 big boy. You see him out here. This is what Maximus Tow and do. We breed them and we let them go. Major Way Towing. So if y'all ever out South Philly or anywhere, make sure y'all call them, hit them up. 215-432-5737. It's Joseph. We got that big boy Ford F650 looking like the snowman. Got it all lettered up. He ready to hit the streets. You keep it clean, you know, as you do as you should for your equipment. You should always keep it nice and presentable. That's one of the things we teach in our academy. We're gonna get a quick word from the owner himself, see how he feel about it. Hey, Joseph.
Yes.
How are you today?
I'm good. Good afternoon, everyone. I went through the process. Jamal
Wait, what process was that? What process did you go through?
Maximus Tow Academy.
Oh, y'all heard that? So we have this is a real life, no, was you paid for this?
No, I wish.
No, see,
That
and
would've been
he
nice.
actually paid us. He paid us. So yes, this is from Joseph himself. He's going to tell you his experience of going through Maximus Tow Academy and how he got his first truck. So how was your experience with MTA?
MTA, it was professional, it was clear cut, and they answered the phone. That's one of the biggest things in any business, you know, just consideration and people being mannerly and answering the phone for you.
Absolutely.
You're not going to have all the answers, and you're going to have more questions, and it's a process, and it's a learning process, and it's just how we do it. But everybody's trying to motivate everybody and see everyone do better. So that's what we're doing. We're sticking together, and we're trying to keep it moving.
So one of the questions that we often get asked is, once you pay your money, do you still have communication with the owners?
So far, so good.
Look, but we here, right?
Absolutely.
And he graduated how long ago?
It's been, I'm to be safe, 3-4 months.
3-4 months, and we are here. We came, he called, he gave us a call, told us he got his new truck, he got it lettered up, and we wanted to come check it out. Yep. So would you say that MTA has steered you in the right path? Are you comfortable with now owning your own tow company?
Yes, I am. Yes,
okay,
I am.
That's all I needed, good people. Thank you, Joseph. I appreciate that.
Not a problem.
But y'all, again, remember, Maximus Tow Academy, this is the real deal. We are not out here gimmicks. We are not a fly-by-night business. We are still standing strong, and we're producing good tow truck companies. We got Major Weight Towing. If you're out there and you need a tow, please call Joseph. Y'all see the number? That's 215-432-5737. If you are in the Philadelphia or tri-state area, call Joseph, Major Weight Towing. If he don't answer, call Maximus Towing. We got you. We'll get him to you.
Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey to the truck dealership as we expanded our towing business. Today, we took a significant step towards growth and success by acquiring new trucks that will enhance our service and meet the needs of our valued customers. But that's not all. Our journey wouldn't be complete without sharing this incredible story of our mentee, Joseph, who experienced firsthand the transformative power of the Maximus Tow Academy mentorship program. Joseph's testimony is a testament to the invaluable guidance, expertise, and support he received, enabling him to overcome challenges and achieve remarkable progress in his own towing business. We're proud to be a part of his success story and grateful for the opportunity to continue mentoring aspiring entrepreneurs like Joseph. Stay tuned for more exciting updates as we continue to grow, innovate, and make a positive impact in the towing industry. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below, and share with the other good people.
If you love content like this, give us a like, comment down below, let us know your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more content in the future.